Welcome to Feng Shui Digest. Those who have lived in the countryside may be familiar with the belief that the older generation thinks of certain animals as taboo and should not be brought into your home. Some animals are believed to bring good fortune, while others are thought to cause misfortune. Let's take a closer look at some of these beliefs with me. Which animals are considered to bring good luck? Swallows are migratory birds that symbolize happiness and wealth. If a house is near a swallow's nest or swallows build a nest under the eaves, it means that the family's financial fortune status is lifted. It is also a sign of good fortune and a happy event. As long as the owner continues to keep their mind for the good of others, they will definitely make a breakthrough in their career, see promotion, increased financial fortunes, and even go on to be richer. Bats are commonly known as flying mice, and their presence indicates good fortune, as bat and money are associated with water. If there are bats in the house, it indicates great happiness in the family, prosperity, and that business is booming. Family members are in good health and harmony. Magpies are a symbol of happiness, and in ancient folklore, if magpies sing at home, it means that something good is happening, and someone in the family will achieve great success, be recognized, rise in the career, and even relatives and friends who have not been contacted for many years will visit. It is a sign that supporters are coming. Bees build nests in good environments that have suitable humidity, and if bees build their nests outside your house wall, it is a very good omen. This indicates that your feng shui is good and that you are about to get rich. When bees nest on your property, it is believed to form some kind of good relationship between your family and the bees. Bees come to repay, and it symbolizes happiness, full harvest, fruitful and good luck. Dogs have been a symbol of good luck since ancient times because of their loyalty, and dogs are also called zayakai, money, dog, or wangkai, prosperity, dog. When there are uninvited dogs come, it shows that the owner has good popularity, and it also indicates the arrival of wealth, financial fortune soaring, and profits pouring in from all sides. It symbolizes a prosperous family. The rabbit looks clean, smart, and clever. It also represents kindness and gentleness. If a rabbit jumps into the house uninvited, it means the arrival of peach blossoms and happy things at home, established popularity, and their social relations will get better and better. The family will be happy, and business will boom. The tortoise is a psychic animal that has always represented an auspicious life. If a sick person is at home and a tortoise creep into the house uninvited, it will soon help the person get rid of diseases and worries, bringing happiness and longevity. It also helps to drive away bad luck and brings the appreciation of their superiors and the help of supporters. So, what animals visit your house uninvited are considered taboo? Cats represent poor relationships, and if cats enter the house, it can result in poor popularity. Therefore, we should try to accommodate each other when dealing with others, avoid conflicts, and break up unhappily. A snake entering the home can be a sign of third-party involvement for couples or married people. For those who are celibate, it can lead to meeting their future partner and cause a love triangle. Rats entering the house can mean a loss of money. It is recommended to be cautious and avoid attracting thieves. If crows enter your home, they represent bad luck, and you need to be careful with everything, or damage may occur. White doves in the house can bring disease and may be harmful to food. However, keeping pets can also have certain benefits in terms of feng shui. Feng shui fish, for example, have excellent effects on prosperity. Carps can accumulate good fortune, and they can help to gather wealth and prosper their owner. Birds can represent wealth and auspiciousness, but they require a wide space, so it is not recommended to keep them in small rooms. Cats correspond to the white tiger, one of the 4 sacred animals. They can subdue monsters, but their loyalty to their owners is not guaranteed. Hamsters can be a symbol of good luck, as they represent a harvest every year. Dogs are the first choice for home protection due to their strong early warning capabilities. Turtles are famous for their longevity, and keeping them at home can bring good health to the elderly in the family. Parrots are popular due to their intelligence and ability to learn to speak. They are believed to increase security and bring good luck to their families. Regardless of the pet, they can help bring happiness and alleviate loneliness in a home. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions on Feng Shui, leave me a message. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. See you next time.